This is a recipe for the Thengai Payasam. This is just a quick method using the canned coconut milk that we can get. So I've taken 1 cup of coconut milk with 2 cups of water, and I'm boiling it with low heat. So once you see that it's starting to boil, add the jaggery. So it's about 6 to 7 tablespoons of jaggery. And then just mix it well till all the raw smell of the jaggery goes. You don't need to let it boil for a long time. So just about 3 to 5 minutes in medium heat should be good. And once that's done, you can add the thick coconut milk, anywhere between 3/4 to 1 cup. And once you add the thick milk, don't let it boil for too long. So just a couple of minutes, and then you can turn off the heat. Once you've turned off the heat, you can add some cardamom powder and some roasted cashew nuts, and it's ready. Have this hot or cold, either ways it tastes pretty good.